Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here, taking a look at the US 100 on the daily chart. So we've traded down into this key support level. If you have a look at this chart left, we've broken the lows or the previous daily lows, dipped down, attacking sell side liquidity under here, spiked up, rallied. I think this has got room to move north. My play with this is I'm looking for, if I grab a fib, just looking for the retrace, trade back up into this zone here. This would be my sell zone. It's pretty wide and I'll explain that. So we'll just call that sell zone. We've got this distribution level through here, so we'll call that resistance on the 4H. And we also have this imbalance. So if we have a look at this candle here, and we pick up the low of the candle on the left and the high of the candle on the right and pull that through, we've got this price gap imbalance 4H. The market's looking for two things. One, it's looking for liquidity. We've got a lot of retail traders shorting this. There's stops sold through here. So liquidity resting above, along with this price gap imbalance. So this gives me reason to consider a counter trend like a buy here, and look for the trade back up into somewhere around in here, and then from here I'd be looking for potential short. That's where I'd be looking to sell. But prior to that, that's my play. We get a pullback here. The other thing too to consider, we've had this low here. It's dipped down under the previous daily low. Yeah, it's not really telling me that it wants to, a trend reversal yet. But I guess it'll remain to be seen. I guess I would have liked to have seen a bit more of an aggressive move down in here before I would consider that a trend reversal. But we'll see how it plays out. Let's just show it on the 30-minute. What does it look like? Possibly. But for now, I think that's my play. A counter trend trade back. Yeah, look, can this roll over here and trade south? Absolutely it can. So we've got, if we have a look at it on the 1 hour, we have, we'll go back to the 30-minute. So we want to consider these levels here. We've got this 30-minute level here, okay, resistance, and then the next port of call on this time frame is this one here. That definitely would be a point of interest for me, this green candle through here, okay, these highs, right, that's a level. So potentially we see this trade back. By the way guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join our free Telegram group. It's good value, and love to see you in there. So possibly we see something like that. I'd be definitely looking to take profits fairly early. I've already bought, I'm long about here. In any case, if we have a look at this stops under, yeah, I reckon target one for me would be probably around the base of this price gap here. Okay, so we've got resistance through here, so I'd be going about here I think for target one, and I'd be looking to take most of my position off. If that happens, and I would be looking then to pull the stop loss up and trail the rest basically, and just see what we get out of it. Can this roll over and trade the other way and this idea is out the window? Absolutely it can. But given what we have on the chart with this imbalance and liquidity above, I'm thinking that I would give this a shot and manage your risk well. Stop loss under, be careful. Actually, just readjust this. This is my, just place that on the our stop loss level, and then that gives me 1-to-1 risk reward down here. So I think I might just shift my target one a little bit tighter. I prefer that. And then we've got the 38.2 fib if it's a shallow pullback. Happy with that, and then at that point, once you've taken 2/3 of your position off and you've pulled your stop loss up, you're in the money. The rest is risk free. So I think that's my play. Okay guys, with that I think that more or less wraps it up. Trade safe, be careful, have a great day. See you in the next video.